Welcome all. This is our lecture 9, and in this lecture we will cover the topic images on a web page, or how can we add an image or GIF or any other graphics to the web page. So let's start the topic. Image, as you all know, what is an image? Image, any artifact or any photograph, pictures, you will know. Images can be of two type, that is can static or dynamic. Dynamic images will be called as movies like videos, and the static images are called pictures. Now come to the topic, how can we add a image to our HTML page? What are the tags? What are the attributes associated with this? So to put an image, we have an attribute, that is, sorry, tags, that is img tag. We have a tag img tag, and it will appear inside the body tag. Okay. How can we use that URL of the image or the path of that image? We will see. It have mainly three attributes. It have many more attributes also, like height, width, etc. These three are on your screen. Align, you can set your image by alignment on the page at the top, bottom, middle, left, right, center, as you wish. The most important attribute is alt. This is called ALT attribute. It's used when you provide a path to the program and the image is not showing. Then you will see that there is a problem in the coding or in the interpretation problem. So this will remove that situation alt. If image path is not correct or image is not found, then this ALT attribute will help us and know us that the whole program is correct, but the path is missing. Okay. The next attribute is SRC. It's the main attribute of img tag. SRC, it specifies the location and the name of the image file. Where there is your image is put in your PC or in your system. Let's check the program. From here you will get some idea how can we add this. This is our img tag. This is our SRC attribute. Here I have take ab.jpg. It means I have an image with the name of AB. Clear? And the old attribute image not found. If this image will not found, then the image not found, this message will be passed in. This is the width and the height. You can mention here width, height, and border also to the image. So let's come to the practical part. Now see, this is location of our program where we have used this program, and in this particular folder, in the same folder, this image is present. Okay. So file, save. We will check the output like this. This is showing image not found. It means my program, my tags are properly working, but there are some problem in the path or the name of the image. Now we will check the code. This is our code. We will check the img src. This is the path of that particular image. Here, this path you can get by simply clicking on the image you are using. Okay. Now, what's the problem? The main problem is here that come to the image, check the properties of the image. Now check. This is the location. You can directly copy paste here from it. Clear? And now you can check the type of the file is .jpg. .jpg. And we have taken it here JPEG. So we have to change it according to the image type. Okay. HTML will support .jpg or .gif file. Okay. Now we have correct this. Save. Now come to the output. Now let's check. Let's check our image. Now image is on your screen. Clear? You can change your width, height accordingly. Save as like it. You can put the align attribute also with this. Align equal to center. Let's check the output. Center is not, I think center is not working here. There are some problem with the browser, but you can use the align, width, height, and all the attributes with this. There is a one method also. If you are not mentioning your path and you have any problem to find what is the path of the particular image, then you can put the image on your desktop. If the image is on your desktop, then you can directly use the name of the image and this will work as like it. It means the image is available on the desktop. Clear? I have not provided any path, but your image or GIF file must be on the desktop. You can use this. Okay, class? Perform this on the lab and prepare your notes.